Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming WhatsApp is updated and your chats are backed up. This prevents data loss when you manipulate read states. Once done, open the chat list and long press a conversation on Android or swipe right on iPhone to reveal options. Make sure to note whether you want to mark one chat or multiple. Selecting multiple threads saves time. Now choose the mark as Unread Action. This sets the unread flag visually, but does not notify senders that you marked it. Next, focus on the precise gestures and alternatives. On Android, long press any chat to select, then tap the unread envelope icon for one or many conversations. This preserves the message timestamp, but resets the blue ticks only on your side. On iPhone, swipe a chat, choose More, then mark as unread. Repeat per chat since bulk options are limited. If you want the conversation out of sight, archive it. Archiving hides the thread, while keeping it unread for later attention. Finally, check that unread badges show both inside WhatsApp and on your home screen. This confirms success. If read receipts show recipients have seen messages, go to Settings, Account Privacy, and toggle Read Receipts off. Remember, this affects sent receipts too. If the unread flag clears unexpectedly, force close the app, restart your phone, and if needed, reinstall WhatsApp after restoring backup. One troubleshooting tip: inconsistent badges often mean a cache state. Clearing app cache Android usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.